Okay guys, how are we? Welcome back. Mighty Reels, Prosperous Lion. So I'm assuming, Mighty Reel Prosperous Lion, sorry. Assuming we need 6 of the balls. And maybe 3 of these for free spins. $10. Come on, one more. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. No. That could be quite good. $11 or not. Oh, this time. Surely. No. Not doing a great deal either, this one. Not much at all. Oh, $3. Tried 2 cents for a little bit. Come on. Oh, it just went past. Come back. No good. Alright. Oh, yeah. Why not? See what happens. Alright. I'm going to collect that, go and play something else. Good morning guys. If you're enjoying the content of my channel, if you wouldn't mind considering buying me a coffee, it would help me out greatly. Help me bring more videos just like this one straight to you. I'll leave a link in the description and it's on the screen down below. Thank you so much for your support, muchly appreciated. Alright guys, I left that Mighty Reels machine. I may go back to that at a later date. We'll see how we go. We're going to have a go at Magic Pearl. 6 of the pearls for free spins and 3 dolphins for free games. So we're on 5-cent denomination. There's our progressives. Monopoly's going off in the background. 2 dolphins. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on, Magic Pearl. Oh, $19. Let's go to 10 cents, shall we? $100 mini, $500 minor. Come on. Oh, it just went past. Wow, $500 a car he was getting. Come on, come on. Oh, so close. So close. $12. Come on. Oh no. Scared me. Oh, last spin. Oh. Alright, let's do this. Let's go to 2 cents. Alright. Let's $5 bet. First spin. Come on, Magic Pearl. Let's go. Big pearl in the middle. Oh, nothing goes all the way. Starfish, 49. Come on. Oh no, last spin. That's terrible. That is terrible. Oh my goodness. Come on again. Ah. Have you got a makeup bonus? Thank you. Well, I shouldn't say thank you yet. You haven't given me any money. All right. Pearl in the middle, eh? Stop. Oh, come on. Oh my goodness. $26. Come on, 2 more games. Oh. That is horrible. Absolutely horrible. Come on. Oh, have you got another one? Oh dear, that was terrible. Alright. Let's try 1 cent denom, mate. Come on. Oh, magic pearl. 2. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. We need to get $200 back. What do we got? 150. We can do this. You can do it. Come on, don't stop there. Oh, come on, hit something. Oh no. I don't think we quite made it. Nearly. So close. So close. 187. Oh, I had it then. It's alright, we'll keep going a little bit. I think we'll go down to 100 and run with that. Or is that going to put us back at 2? $199. Oh, it should run. We'll give it a couple more. We'll go to 150 now. Alright, last spin. Collect, no more. Alright guys, that was Mighty Reel and Magic Pearl. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed that. Nice bonus at the end there on Magic Pearl. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it around, I'll see you again shortly with another one.